How to add captions automatically in NanoBanana.AI. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the NanoBanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all available features. Once you are on the website, click on Start Editing. Here you will see options like Image Edit and Text to Image. Currently, NanoBanana.ai is mainly an image editing platform and doesn't support video uploads or automatic captioning for videos. However, you can create captions for images or text-based content using the AI tools. Select the Image Edit option, click on the Add Image button to upload your image and use the main prompt field to describe the caption you want to generate. Click on the Generate Now button and the AI will create the image along with your desired caption. While NanoBanana.ai cannot automatically add captions to videos yet, this method allows you to create captioned images that can be incorporated into video projects using external video editing software. Now you know how to add captions automatically in NanoBanana.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.